If I wasn't a singer today, I'll probably be a truck driver in Canada. 13-hour drive. I was so excited when I knew like we were doing this. I was like, okay, कहाँ पे ऐसा podcast और interview था जहाँ पे आपको खाने को मिलता है?
We've got a bunch of dishes here: pav bhaji, bhajia, dahi balla for some Punjabi touch, bhel puri, and misal pav.
So today it's here, one and only Mr. Misal Pav.
Recommended by Vicky Kaushal.
Yes,
Let's
trying
see
it today,
if this
bro.
misal pav makes you go tauba tauba.
Yeah, right. I can do bhangra though. Okay.
Like that.
Okay. I think I like this more than pav bhaji. It might be a bold statement. Friends बोलते हैं let's go on a fancy dinner. मैं बोलता हूँ यार ढाबा ढूंढो यार, कोई रोटी खानी है.
मैं ब्रैम्पटन गई हूँ,
Okay.
टोरंटो में.
तो आप पंजाब गए हो?
मैं गई हूँ. रोल्स रॉयस और ट्रैक्टर.
ट्रैक्टर सही है भाई, पर रोल्स रॉयस यार. I lost my dad, I lost my mom. I was still just processing that. मेरे को पता ही नहीं था क्या हो गया यार. मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता anxiety किसको बोलते हैं, दिल क्यों घबरा रहा है, why do I feel so low? I just started zoning out after that. So I just started writing. 10-20 seconds right before getting onto the stage when I'm by myself. And I don't know what comes there and pushes me. That just makes me go crazy on that stage right after I step on. And I feel like it is their presence.
With rising fame, there are also perils with it.
सब कुछ सही चल रहा है and all of a sudden you're getting shot at and people are saying यार मार देंगे अगर इतने पैसे नहीं दिए, आप शो लगा के दिखाओ. Like who am I? एक बार मैं लंदन में था O2 में, such a legendary venue, और किसी ने जूता निकाल के मार दिया ऐसे मेरे फेस पे लगा. सही ओए बेइज्जती हुई. मैं कहा यार इतना खराब गा रहा हूँ यार.
एक टाइम था when Punjabi music was just restricted to a pin and all it meant was dhol and bhangra. But आज Punjabi music is at a global stage, be it a concert in LA or a nightclub in New York. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 5 series, हम मिल रहे हैं on top of Mumbai. Girls and boys, let's welcome Karan Aujla. हेलो करण, सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल जी, प्रणाम. की हाल चाल है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया.
Yes, yes.
Am I doing well so far?
Yes, you're doing so good.
So welcome to Mumbai and welcome to Curly Tales.
Thank you so much for having me.
So what do I call you? Karan, Just Karan, or Geeta the Machine?
You can call me Karan.
The transition from Just Karan to Karan. Just Karan was a name that was given to you by birth, right?
Exactly, yeah. My mom and dad gave me that name.
Okay, but I know that all Punjabis have a pet name.
In my school, my friends were used to call me after my village name, so Kuraliala. My village's name is Kurala.
Right.
You really have to go with like the gha, like Kurala.
Kurala.
In Punjabi, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So they used to call me Kuraliala, and then or sometimes people would call me Aujla. But I never had any funny names. I've been lucky.
Yeah.
Imagine my name is Karan and my name was Kaku or something.
I know, one can imagine that.
I don't want that. Kaku gana ga de.
Well, you are on the top of your game, and today we've got you on top of Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay, so this is literally one of my favorite places.
Lovely spot.
This is Air at Four Seasons and offers the best views of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Have you spent any time in Mumbai?
I would say from last 1.5 year, I've been coming constantly.
Okay.
But I didn't really get a chance to like go out like this because every time I would come,
Right.
always काम के लिए होता था और like video shoot, so time वैसे ही निकल जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
So I never got a chance to go out and
Right.
like try the street food of Bombay and the actual Bombay food. I was so excited when I knew like we were doing this. I was like, okay, कहाँ पे ऐसा podcast और interview था जहाँ पे आपको खाने को मिलता है और अच्छी बातें होती हैं. So
देखो हम कोशिश पूरी करेंगे. 5-star होटल में आपको स्ट्रीट फूड खिलाने वाले हैं.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's not going to have the sweat and the hustle of our vendors.
Still.
But looking back, what are the things that you really love and miss about Ludhiana or Kurala, like you mentioned?
I would say just being like in my own home where I was born, because my birth is actually in like I was born in Kurala at my home.
Okay.
So spending so much time there, enjoying every meal with my parents, like every time I step into that house, like those walls, just like
Yeah.
I feel something in there, and the memories kick back in. Every single little detail of my village, Punjab, Ludhiana, like from food to like the clothes we were used to wear, like just kurta all the time.
Yeah.
And it was just so simple. I would say I miss the simplicity that I used to enjoy back then. Canada में भी culture है पंजाबी सब कुछ, लेकिन India is India and Punjab is
Right.
Punjab.
You know what's funny? मैं ब्रैम्पटन गई हूँ
Okay.
टोरंटो में, and my in-laws are from
तो
Ludhiana.
आप पंजाब गए हो?
मैं गई हूँ and that's exactly what I wanted to say कि
Yeah.
कनाडा का जो ब्रैम्पटन है, that
Yeah.
felt more like Punjab than Punjab itself.
Exactly, man. I love that culture out there, actually. It gave me so much inspiration in actually making music, the way we're combining sounds with Western music. And it's
Yeah.
like, there's few types of Indians or like few types of Punjabis. Like Canadian Punjabis are different, Punjabi Punjabis are different, and then England Punjabis are different. The
Right.
way they carry themselves, the way they behave with you. All that was really interesting to see. And yeah, I've spent so much time in Brampton. That's where I saw my first ever music studio, like a professional one.
Yeah.
And Brampton was the city where I actually started recording my own songs or started writing for other people. So yeah, it was lovely being in that environment and that culture.
Right.
Yeah.
Like I saw people sitting there, like women sitting there चारपाई पर वो खटिया लगाकर रोज शाम को they would all sit together, much like how you would see it in
Yeah,
Punjab.
वो तो आज पंजाब में भी देखने को नहीं मिलता है. One thing I noticed why people meet each other so much out there is because that's where they realized we have come so far away from home.
Yeah.
And हमारे बंदों के बिना यहाँ पे और कोई नहीं है हमारे लिए.
बिल्कुल.
So I love seeing that connection. I've been to some parks where Babaji's play tash or like they get together and just have chai
Yeah.
or have lunch, and it's just amazing to be there.
And another thing, सब वहाँ पंजाबी बोलते हैं.
हाँ जी. Yeah.
And with a very nice and a different accent, huh?
Yeah, proper desi.
Yeah.
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਆ ਵੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਓ, ਕੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ? Yeah. Surrey, Brampton, now all of Canada, our
Yeah.
people are everywhere.
Absolutely. What about food? What kind of food do you get there?
Oh my God, I would say I crave less Indian food when I'm in India and I crave it more when I'm overseas. And it's like जब कहीं भी होते हैं वहाँ पे अच्छे steak houses हैं, friends बोलते हैं let's go on a fancy dinner, मैं बोलता हूँ यार ढाबा ढूंढो यार, कोई रोटी खानी है. Canadian Indian food is in my
Yeah.
top 3 list for sure.
But अलग है Canadian Indian food versus Indian food.
अलग, I mean, yeah, obviously same dishes मिलती है, पर जो इंडिया और पंजाब के खाने का स्वाद है वो सेम तो नहीं है.
अच्छा,
यार.
मतलब
That's
दिल
what-
से अभी भी देसी हो.
हाँ
ढूंढते हो
यार,
बटर
like,
चिकन,
exactly.
दाल मखनी हर जगह.
वहाँ पे बटर चिकन बना देते हैं लेकिन वो बहुत लाइक आई फील लाइक इट्स टू लाइक स्वीट फॉर मी. यहाँ पे तो कुछ बताना ही नहीं पड़ता उन्हें कि भाई माइल्ड, मीडियम और स्पाइसी, दे नो. वो आपको देखेंगे बोलेंगे ओके मेरे को पता है क्या चाहिए.
और कुकिंग आती है आपको?
It's so funny. You might be surprised, but I can cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I make really good like tawa chicken. I love making tawa chicken on a tawa, and we used to always do it in my backyard.
Okay.
जब मैं Vancouver रहता था, now I've shifted to Dubai. I would always, set up my tawa there and like act like a halwai. कड़छी चल रही है पूरा. प्याज भून रहे हैं. My problem is when I cook, I'm
Yeah.
really good at following the recipes.
Okay.
But I don't know, like I can't remember them. So every time I have to pull out the video, put it there and follow step by step. But it turns out pretty good every time. I feel like
Okay.
जब आप प्यार से कुछ बनाते हो ना, चाहे वो गाना हो,
Yeah.
चाहे वो खाना
खाना
हो,
हो.
it turns out
बिल्कुल.
good.
So Karan, before we get to the food, let's fire up your imagination a little. I'm going to give you some AI generated images that I have created using AI Copilot on my Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. And you've got to sing a song related to that situation or whatever comes to your mind.
Okay.
Okay? And I'm going to share these images using the second screen feature. Here you go, the first one.
Oh wow.
We gave a prompt saying Karan Aujla stuck in Mumbai rains.
If I had to come up with the hook line right now, I would say the main title would be Ki Kara. Ki Kara. Ki Kara. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Itni traffic, Ki Kara. You know what happened yesterday? I've had to go to Andheri from here
Yeah.
a lot for the last couple of days, and around 3-4 p.m. it's a mission. Neend aane lagi gaadi mein. I told my boys, I was like, bro, we should buy some bikes here.
You need boats, not bikes here.
You're right. Oh my god. I look like an accountant.
We gave a prompt, generate an image if Karan Aujla had a desk job in a corporate world and was not a performer.
Oh my god. These are probably some of the hardest topics that I've ever gotten to write a song about. I have this song called Kachya Makan Naale Yaar Jatt. This is a very desi Punjabi song, but there's a line in there. It's called Saab te kitab doonge lag jattiye. चौधरी नहीं मारी है हसाना करके. So I feel like that's the reflection. Like मैं बोल रहा था कि हिसाब एंड किताब दोनों मैं अलग रखता हूँ. So that's the type of a situation here, I would say.
Right. But कभी सोचा था that you could also get into a corporate job? What was your childhood dream like?
You know what? I've never dreamt of actually working for people, honestly, which is why I think this worked out. I've had a job, like a government job in Canada. I went to it for like 2 months. So I used to work at the docks. This is when I was like writing for other people, and it was like a good paying job. I used to work on the ships, like on the port, right?
Right.
Bandargah pe basically. And then I went there 2-3 months, and then I knew, you know, I couldn't just go and just work for somebody, man. It wasn't for me. I feel like ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर मेरे को काम करना ही पड़ता, और if I wasn't a singer today, I'd probably be a truck driver in Canada. Going crazy, you know.
Yeah.
13-hour drive, no
And keep
sleep.
singing on the way, right?
Yeah, exactly. Because I love driving.
What was your paycheck like?
You know what? Surprisingly, it was actually good. The people that are in Canada, they know like longshoreman. That's what it's called. Being a longshoreman is actually a great job. And I was getting paid $53 an hour for the morning shift, and there was 63 for afternoon, and 73 for graveyard. So you can pick your shifts.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something interesting with that job. What gave me like a backup plan, and what gave me like more open space to actually work on my songs was I didn't have to like go there to keep my job. It's like if you go there, you get work. If you don't go, you don't get fired. You have to go once every 6 months to keep your job. So that was like a great thing for me. I was like, okay, like I don't have to tell anybody if I need to make music tomorrow.
Yeah.
So now I could focus on my lyricism or singing, and I also had a backup plan if this didn't work out. So I feel like God had plans, you know.
But of course, the money didn't motivate you enough to just stay in that job.
Yeah, it was not about money, you know. I had so many dreams. I wanted to do so much for my village, where I come from, for the country, for the people that love me, you know, my parents. I can't just settle down. I was only, like 19 years old. Still not young, but like, you know, compared to whatever I was going through, there was so much happening. And the decisions I made in that time is what made me who I am today, I believe. Yeah.
Okay, moving on to the next situation.
Oh, wow.
Posing like Shah Rukh Khan. I'm sure it must be a routine for you when you go
Oh my God.
to your village.
You know, it's so funny. My new song just dropped right now. It's called For a Reason. And we have a set in there that looks exactly like this. If you watch the video, it's like Surajmukhi ka khet, and I'm like acting like, you know, Shah Rukh sir in there.
Oh, nice.
You know, it's,
Karan Aujla selling chole bhature.
oh my God. You know, this would probably be the second job. If I wasn't working on the port, I'll probably be making chole bhature.
Are you a big fan of chole bhature?
I just had them yesterday, I think.
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
okay, how many can you have at one go?
Just 2, max 3. But I enjoy it. Like, I take my time with every bite. You know?
What about paranthas? How many paranthas can you have?
Oh my God. Max 4 paranthas. Oh, my mommy used to make so good paranthas. Gobi ke paranthas and paneer paranthas used to be my favorite. Aloo is good too. Aloo, I feel like is everybody just says aloo paranthas.
Yes.
For me, I love cauliflower paranthas.
Yeah. और रात की जो भी सब्जी बच जाए उसका पराठा.
Yeah. Dal wala paratha.
Dal
Oh
wala
my
paratha.
God.
Missi roti.
Yes.
So we've also got AI to generate a picture with your parents.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Any particular dish that she would make that you would love?
She used to make really good bindi, and then she made, you know, arbi ki sabzi.
Yeah.
So she used to make really good arbi. And that was like my favorite sukki sabzi, I would say. I mean, anything moms make is just good anyways. You know,
Absolutely. But you still remember the taste.
It's just the feelings that I remember, like the way. I might not remember the taste of how it tasted like, but I remember the way she used to feed me.
Do you feel their presence even now?
There's so much, man. I try and just sit by myself. But their presence, I would say I definitely do feel their presence sometimes. The most I feel their presence is when I'm on stage. When I decided, okay, I want to be an artist, पहले मैं लिखने लगा था. I didn't know I could sing my own lyrics, and I didn't want to either at that time. एंड धीरे 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 मैं बहुत लोगों के लिए लिखा, पैसे भी नहीं बनते थे, कई लोग नाम भी नहीं डालते थे, तो आई वाज लाइक यो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. सो राइटर्स वाजंट गेटिंग दैट मच ऑफ रिकग्निशन एंड तो आई वाज लाइक मैन ऐसे बात नहीं बनेगी. लाइक आई वांटेड टू बी ऑन स्क्रीन एंड वांटेड टू बी नोन. I was like, okay, you know what? I have to start singing my own songs somehow. But obviously, I didn't know how to sing. I've never had any trainings. Nobody in my family was a singer. मेरे डैड को थोड़ी आदत थी लिखने वगैरह की. कोई राइम्स पोइट्री नहीं, वैसे ही वो लिखते होते थे. कभी चिट्ठी लिख दी, अगर घर से दूर है कुछ लिख दिया. सो फिर द राइटिंग एस्पेक्ट केम फ्रॉम देयर. मेरे को ऐसा था कि यार गाना तो नहीं आता, कैसे गाऊंगा? यहाँ पे तो बहुत ट्रेन्ड सिंगर्स हैं, एवरीबडी सिंग सो वेल. एंड देन आई जस्ट टुक अ चांस. आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई. सो एवरी टाइम आई वुड राइट अ सॉन्ग फॉर समबडी एल्स, I would record it in my voice to make it into like a dummy version and then send it to them as a rough draft. कि भाई ऐसे गाना है. Every time it wouldn't sound the same. Like, you know, I would have more flavor in it because I wrote it. I remember the song more.
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, it's not the same feel. Like the गाना ही अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा है वो. So that's when I decided, यार कुछ भी हो मैं खुद गाऊंगा. So धीरे धीरे with the experience I started singing. And then I started getting shows. I still don't know if I can sing really good, but
Of course you can.
I can sing my songs good. You know what I mean? Every
Yeah.
time I step onto the stage, those 10-20 seconds right before getting onto the stage when I'm by myself, मेरे को 1% भी ऐसे नहीं होता कि यार इतने लोग आए हुए हैं, सभी नाम बोले जा रहे हैं, they're so excited. Can I do this? You know? And I don't know what comes there and pushes me. That just makes me go crazy on that stage right after I step on. And I feel like it is their presence. What else could it be?
But what's exciting is move away K-pop. We've got P-pop.
Yes! Let's go!
Yeah.
We're on the right track.
Tell me, what is it all about?
P-pop is the name of my new album, P-pop Culture. It just
Okay.
dropped today. So today is a very special day. P-pop stands for Punjabi pop culture. Long story short, I wanted to name my music, the music that I make, and the way I combine two sounds together, and the way I combine lyrics with Western melodies and all that. So I always felt like I didn't have the right name to my music. And even for Punjabi music, I feel like it was just Punjabi music. So I just really wanted to create like my own genre and my own name in some way. And that's when we came up with this name, Punjabi pop culture. Because that's what we do. It's all about, you know, repping your culture, where you come from, your roots. If we go to, I don't know, just name a random country and our songs are playing, not just me, any Indian song, and nobody's making, you know, weird steps, this, that. I want to make it into a cool thing.
Right.
Like Spanish music plays in clubs, like house music plays at parties in Europe, at
Right.
beach clubs, this, that.
Right.
Indian music itself, it is there,
Yeah.
but it needs to be more out there. अगर हम बाहर जाएं तो सारे लोग गर्व के साथ ये बोल सके, सीमा हिंदी गर्व.
Yeah. Not bad. Keep going.
तो वो बोल सके कि भाई ये हमारा बंदा है यार.
बिल्कुल.
You know, we're proud of him.
पर ऐसा कभी हुआ है आप कोई न्यूयॉर्क के क्लब में डांस कर रहे हैं और पीछे एक पंजाबी गाना शुरू हो गया?
Yeah, हुआ तो है. Like, you know, the big songs like, you know, Punjabi MC, मुंडा तो बच के रही.
Yeah.
It's always been there. Like, they play it. I feel like when the DJ sees so many Indians in a club, they always play it. But I personally feel like we need more songs.
Yeah.
You know, like a full 1 hour playlist that a DJ can play at any club in the world.
Let me give you a few food choices. Okay.
Okay.
What do you prefer, rajma chawal or kadhi chawal?
This is so hard. I love both. If I really had to pick one, I would go with Kadi Chawal.
Gurdware da kada prasad या 5-star the chocolate mousse?
Gurdwara Sahib da Kada Prasad. Always.
Is it a ritual of visiting Gurdwara every Sunday or any day? Do you have that growing up?
Yeah, always. I used to go with my mom always. You know, she used to wake me up 4:30 in the morning. Just tell me, get up. You know, so I have so many memories.
सेवा की है गुरुद्वारे
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
में?
बहुत बर्तन मान जाए तभी तो इतना
अच्छा।
नाम हुआ है.
Guys, it works. गुरुद्वारे जाओ, सेवा करो.
हाँ जी, किते भी जाओ सेवा करो.
जलेबी रबड़ी from Ludhiana और maple syrup pancakes from Canada.
Oh, jalebi rabdi from Ludhiana.
देसी तंदूरी टिक्का और KFC wings.
Tandoori tikka, man. I just love Indian food.
Private jet life और गेड़ी in Punjab दा पिंड.
I mean, jet is cool, but KD in Punjab, the pind is just something that, you know, it refreshes you. Like going to my farm from my home, it's like a 2-kilometer drive, but it's just through the khates. If you ever come to my village, I would love to have you there.
I would love to explore.
Hopefully next time we sit
Yes.
there and have some homemade food. Those 2 kilometers is the most beautiful drive I've ever done. Like
Yeah.
better than Amalfi Coast. You know?
Okay. Rolls Royce or tractor?
Tractor सही है भाई, but Rolls Royce yeah.
Diamond studded watch or limited edition sneakers?
Watch.
What do you like to indulge most in? Clothes, shoes?
Watches and cars are my top two, and then clothes come,
Okay.
and everything else is after that. Saving money, investing, everything is like after 10 numbers.
Clearly, splurging or saving?
Splurging always,
Okay.
every day.
Chas or lassi?
Lassi, bhai. You know, it's so funny since I've been in Dubai, I always tell somebody at home to make me lassi every morning because it's so hot there in thingy.
Yeah.
But I put some roasted jeera in it and some mint leaves. And I don't know if at that point it's a chas or lassi, but I just drink it and it tastes good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you live in Dubai, is it?
Yes, for
Okay.
the last, I'd say, 1 year on and off.
Liking it there?
I wouldn't lie, it doesn't feel like home. I've spent
Okay.
so much time in Canada,
Yeah.
in Vancouver. Like, I love nature. It's a big change for me. But I love Dubai because it's so close to India and I can come here more often. So, it's a good balance.
Yeah, and you know, we at Curly Tales love to celebrate different cultures, different cuisines, and I'm so happy that we are discussing this.
Yeah.
We are very proud of you. You've really
Thank you.
taken Punjabi music to global stage.
Thank you so much.
And I think we would like to treat you to some Mumbaiya street food. Let's get straight to it.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's begin the Sunday brunch.
आप ही का इंतजार था. Oi,
You know what this is?
Misal pav, you know how I know, and I've never tried it, which is a good thing. Oh my god. Cheers. It's like they're smiling.
Nice, you like it?
Oh my god.
So we've got a bunch of dishes here. We've got pav
Yeah.
bhaji, bhajia, dahi balla for some Punjabi touch, bhel puri, and misal pav.
I was shooting with Vicky bhai, and then he told me, "Yaar, Punjabi food." तो मैं उन्होंने पूछ रहा सी, I was like, "Yo, what do you like here? Like, I really want to try some food." He said, "Yaar, misal pav खा के आ." He said it in Punjabi. I could see it on his face. I was like, "Bro, ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ?" Then he told me it's a tadka with whatever in it,
Yeah,
and then I was
yeah.
like, "Yaar, I want to try it," because he said it with so much, you know, interest. And he's like, "Yo, I love misal pav." So today it's here, one and only Mr. Misal Pav.
Mr. Misal Pav, recommended by Vicky Kaushal.
Yes, we're
Let's
trying
see
it today.
if this
bro.
misal pav makes you go tauba tauba.
Yeah, right. Hopefully, I know the hook step after
Do
this.
you know though?
No.
No.
You know what? I'll tell you a funny story. When I was at the shoot, so मैं अभी set पे entry हुआ, Bosco sir and everybody is, you know, working on the project and they're like, yo, do this. And Vicky bhai was shooting already and he's going crazy with the dance moves. Like he's doing all that he has. Like, I looked at him and I looked at my manager. I was like, bro, please tell me they're not gonna make me do this. I was like, I'm not doing this, bro. But फिर भी हल्का सा hook step करेंगे, हल्का सा hook step. बहुत try किया उन्होंने.
हाँ, नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, हम नहीं करेंगे भाई. बस ये करा लो
I
बस.
know. पर वैसे आपको डांस का शौक है?
नहीं यार.
नहीं?
No, my team keeps telling me यार, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत funny यार लगता हूँ ना.
हमने देखा नहीं है ज़्यादा डांस करते.
यार
हमने-
मैंने देखा है ना एक तो बार आईने के सामने. Oh my god. I can do bhangra though.
Yeah.
Very good. So I
What's
do
your
that.
like go-to step?
I can show you like, you know. Oi.
Like that.
Oi.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
तो आप बचपन से ही ऐसे थे शरारती टाइप्स?
शरारती तो मैं था. I
अच्छा.
was very naughty. Yeah. मेरी माँ ने बहुत पीटा मेरे को.
अच्छा.
I was young obviously. I think 9 years old or something. I think I went to school. वो पेंसिल आती होती थी ना वो जिसका सिक्का पीछे से डालो आगे से निकल आता है वो. तो हमारे पास होती थी नटराज पेंसिल. एक लड़की थी क्लास में उसने मेरे को बेसिकली उसके बाद वो पेंसिल थी, लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, मैं वो पेंसिल घर ले आया एंड नाउ आई एम सिटिंग विद माय मॉम, शी इज कटिंग सब्जी फॉर डिनर, है ना, एंड मैं मंजे पे बैठा हुआ हूँ, मेरे को होमवर्क करना था. I bring my school bag and I take out the notebooks and I'm sitting here, she's sitting here cutting. मेरे को ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स होता था जो मैंने खोला, उसमें से वही पेंसिल मैंने निकाली, पेंसिल निकली, मैं लिखने लगा, उनकी नजर गई, where did you get this pencil from? She asked me in Punjabi, ये कित्थों ਲਈ है? I was like, friend ने ਦਿੱਤੀ है. She like, तू चोरी ਕੀਤੀ है? I was like, मैं चोरी नहीं ਕੀਤੀ, ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀ है. She's like, no, तू चोरी की थी, मैंने पता, right away काम थे dad. I was like, क्या हो गया यार, बहुत पड़ी उस दिन, चलो मैं सो गया रो के, होमवर्क भी कर लिया उसी पेंसिल से. एंड देन दूसरे दिन भी खत्म नहीं हुई बात. She's like, I'm going to the school with you to make sure you didn't fucking steal this. So I was like, oh my god. I was like, यार चलो, मेरे को पता मैंने चोरी नहीं की. प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस आए, मेरे को लेके गए साथ में, वो लड़की को बुलाया, ये पेंसिल इसने चुराई और आपने दी, बोली मैंने दी थी. ओ मेरा बच्चा, ये वो भाई ब्रो यार, कल अभी भी लाल थी यार मेरी यार.
पर इससे ये होता है कि कभी चोरी करने की आदत नहीं पड़ती.
I'm gonna take this.
Yeah,
right. I was like, yeah, never चोरी man.
Never चोरी.
Yeah.
पर थोड़ी बहुत शॉपलिफ्टिंग तो सब बचपन में कर ही लेते हैं.
थोड़े सिक्के सुक्के तो चुराए हैं मैंने ऐसे. वो भी क्या, भुजिया लेने के लिए यार, आलू भुजिया मेरे को बहुत पसंद था छोटे होते थे.
अच्छा,
वही तो अफोर्ड कर सकते हो. अभी मैंने कौन सा बाहर जाना था, छोटा था, गांव में ही जाता था, शहर दूर था, घर से 5 रुपए मिल गए, ये मिल गया, वो मिल गया. आपको गिरू पकौड़ा पता है क्या होता है? जो पीनट्स फ्राइड.
नहीं,
पंजाबी में तो गिरू पकौड़ा बोलते हैं.
गिरू पकौड़ा. अच्छा,
लेकिन वो गिरू होते हैं, ये फ्राइड peanuts.
अच्छा, oh.
Yeah, so I used to go to this hutty that we had, this small दुकान in my village. Go there, 5 रुपए मिले, वो ले लिया, ये ले लिया, बस यही था. कभी चूरन खा लिया, कभी आम पापड़ खा लिया. Beautiful though,
Yeah.
Yeah.
अभी भी दोस्त हैं आपके?
Yeah. Everybody like, usually all my friends were all older than me. मेरी जो उम्र के लड़के थे वो मेरे स्कूल में थे, सही है, लेकिन अभी कोई कनाडा चला गया, कोई कहीं. लेकिन जो गांव में लड़के थे, मैं फुटबॉल खेलता होता था, सॉकर, तो वो सभी अभी most of them are there. So every time I go, we sit together. We're building a park for the ladies and for the kids. Like I'm really proud of that. अगर उनका सैर करने का मन है, कुछ है, तो वो गांव में ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं थी जहाँ सिर्फ बच्चे और लेडीज जा सकें. तो with the help of my village, everybody we got this place and like we're building it now. The makhan on top is just so.
Yeah.
We call it sira in Punjabi. When something is great, we call it sira.
Sirra. Okay.
Yeah, that's like a slang.
Learning slang. with
Sira
Karan.
bhai sira.
मक्खन तो मतलब हर चीज में चाहिए ही होता है.
I love that. Because obviously when I was in Punjab, we used to have घर की गायें थी, भैंस थी, so घर का दूध, दही, मक्खन.
So we're talking about your village. अभी आप गए वहाँ पर. Of course, you are now a big star. But how is it that everybody around really treats you there?
To some extent it changed, but it's like they're really proud of like it's like I'm their son. जब मैं पहले जाने लगा था ना, मेरा नाम हुआ, उनको ऐसे लगता था कि ये फुकरा हो गया होगा अभी, ये तो बुलाएगा ही नहीं, घर मिलने नहीं आएगा, ये नहीं होगा. किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को तो पहचानेगा ही नहीं है, इतने टाइम बाद कनाडा से आया. तो जब मैं देखता था अपने फ्रेंड्स को, उसको मैं उसका कच्चा नाम लेके बुलाता था, ब्रो टोनियो है कितने हैं, और यादू है कितने हैं. दे आर वेरी सरप्राइज, लाइक यार तेनू याद है राज़िक भाई, यहीं से तो गया हूँ यार, ऐसे कैसे भूल जाऊंगा. ठीक है, सब हो गया. देयर वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग दैट समबडी सेड, लाइक आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ में ना, जब आप बन जाते हो, कुछ फेमस हो जाते हो, बहुत लोग कहने लगे यार ये तो बदल गया है यार, ये तो अभी फेमस हो गया यार, बड़ी बातें हो गई. तो आई फील लाइक आर्टिस्ट तो वही रहता है, उसके आसपास जो सब है वो बदल जाता है. लोग ही कहने लग जाते हैं यार ये तो बदल गया, ये तो बदल गया. मेरे को तो सब याद है. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर प्लेइंग इन दोज गलीज विद द सेम गाइज. मेरे को तो कई हद तक कॉन्वर्सेशन भी याद है उनके साथ. डैड की आवाज़ भी कई बार, कितना टाइम हो गया, 15-16 साल, बट अभी भी मेरे को याद आ जाता है कई बार कि मेरे को कैसे बुलाते थे, वो कैसे पुकारते थे.
But it's amazing that you really have the strong desire of doing something for Kerala, the place that you really come from.
Exactly, man. Like I just want to make that place into a heaven, like a spot to go chill. I want that village to have everything. To like, I don't know, a stadium, a nice school,
Wow,
small
okay.
hospital facility, like enough for that village.
मिसल पाव तो ट्राई कर लो.
Mister, मिसल पाव।
मिस्टर मिसल पाव, यस।
तो ये कैसे बनता है ये?
चना दाल पता है ना आपको?
Yeah, yeah,
चना
yeah.
पता है right? उसकी तरी बनती है एंड देन ऊपर ये जो फरसान है वो जाता है और उसके
This.
साथ पाव, यस। सो यू गोट टू पुट दिस ऑन टॉप एंड पुट सम अनियन, squeeze a bit of lemon.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go. विक्की भाई
This one's for you.
जा रहा है अभी। हाँ बात तो है। I think I like this more than pav bhaji.
Yeah?
It might be a bold statement.
We'll know in comments. What do you prefer, misal pav or pav bhaji?
I feel like pav bhaji is cool, but it's overhyped.
What is your favorite?
Simple तवा रोटी, some प्याज, थोड़ा सा अदरक का अचार, and either काली दाल और येलो दाल, homemade. That's me. थोड़ा सा दही भी, थोड़ी सी मखनी भी।
पर डाइट करते हो?
कहाँ होती है यार डाइट?
नहीं, अच्छा।
But lately I've been so like busy with travels and like so much of music and like I've been working on this album for 1.5 years.
Yeah.
So I feel like music keeps you so busy mentally. It's not an excuse. But I need to take more time out for my health actually. I don't think I take good care of myself. Still getting there. My wife always tells me to drink water, hydrate, even though she doesn't. But I'm getting there,
How's it been being married? You've been with her for quite some time, but has marriage changed the dynamics?
We've been together for like 10, 11 years. And it's like we were kids. We basically grew up together. It was just so nice, just like, going through the process. And I feel like we have that understanding because she's seen me with nothing. And now she's seen me with everything. उसके सामने मैं आकर नहीं सकता है. If you know what I mean, like उसको पता है.
हाँ.
So it's like that only makes it, great. Like relationship-wise, it makes it smooth. And yeah, nothing really changed. It's just more understanding, I would say.
वो भी पंजाब से ही है?
हाँ जी, वो पंजाबी है, लेकिन she was born in Canada.
Okay.
And we met in Canada in 2014.
Were you even 18 when you met her?
I actually was not.
Was she your first girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay, cameras are rolling, so.
Yo!
Gotcha.
बहुत young था मैं, उससे पहले तो कुछ पता भी नहीं था ये क्या होता है प्यार. And I feel like I met her at the right time. And if I didn't have her in my life at that time, I feel like I would be all over the place. मेरा तो सब खिलर जाता है ये, क्योंकि mentally I was all over the place and कितना कुछ देखा था इंडिया में and I was so young. And वो सब हो गया 9 साल से 14 साल की उम्र में, वो सब हो गया 4 साल में. I lost my dad, I lost my mom. सारा घर इतना भरा हुआ empty हो गया. We were all used to have meals together and now I'm eating by myself in the same rooms. So I feel like up until 17, 18, 20, even today, like I was still just processing that. मेरे को पता ही नहीं था क्या हो गया यार. I was still under, मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता anxiety किसको बोलते हैं, दिल क्यों घबरा रहा है, why do I feel so low? I was still trying to process all that. And I had met her in that time and she took good care of me. And I feel like if I didn't have her, the right woman behind me, and I wouldn't be here today. Things would be very different. And I'm not just saying it because these cameras are running. I'm just telling, the people, the young ones, the people that listen to me, like that having a right life partner matters a lot, घर पे जो माहौल होता है ना वो अच्छा होना चाहिए. अगर बाहर जाके नाम कमाना है especially. I lost my dad. That was the first death in the family. And after that everything changed. That was 2006, December 9th. He got into an accident and so मेरी एक sister की engagement हो गई थी जब मेरे dad थे. So yeah, they took over the jobs, they tried to run the house, but my mom had just one goal. She wanted to send him out of India and have a great life for some reason, because Punjab wasn't like, there was nothing happening. They couldn't have great jobs. So they got married, they got great families. And then now both of the sisters left and I'm with my mom by myself in my home. And we used to take care of each other. From 2006 to 2010, 3-4 साल ऐसे निकले. वो बाहर चले गए. And my mom got diagnosed with cancer. उसके बाद a year after 2010, I lost her too. And that's when my sisters came back when we found out she got diagnosed. The doctor told us we have like 8-9 months. And that's when we decided to, like all brothers, sisters, we decided to get together and just spend time with her. And that would probably be one of the hardest parts in my life. Like I've seen so much with these eyes in those 8 9 months when I knew every second I knew like she would leave. I still remember I had my exams going on at school, so while going through all this and just getting ready for school, going there, sitting in a classroom, just staring at the walls, not knowing what the teacher is saying, like I just started zoning out after that. I couldn't process things. I didn't want to talk to my friends. I became like a, so uske pehle bahut shararti tha. That's when I became like a quiet child. Hearing things like, yaar, tere mom dad mar gaye. क्या हो गया ये हो गया सो इट वाज लाइक कितना नाजुक दिल था एंड हीयरिंग दीज थिंग्स आई डिडंट नो लाइक यार मेरे को ये सुनने को मिलेगा और उसके बाद ये भी बोलना पड़ेगा हाँ देन कमिंग होम टू हर देन एवरी टाइम शी वुड हैव पेन वट एवर शी वुड टेल लाइक माई मासीज to send me into the other room so she could actually cry or like just like go through the pain. And I just remember pressing her feet, making her feel comfortable and spend as much as time I could with her. So that's when I stayed in India for 3 4 years and my sisters had left. From 2011 to 2014 I stayed in my own home by myself with my chacha and my chachi and their family. So but I used to sleep in my own home and they used to cook for me beautiful food and take care of me. And I'm really thankful for that. Otherwise, I would have nowhere to go.
But is that also the time when you developed interest in writing?
I don't think it was in my blood. Like how did I get to this? So one thing I got to know was, and one thing I figured was like, as soon as I stopped talking to people about how I feel, जब मैं बच्चा था तब बोल देता यार मेरे को आज बहुत खुशी है यार मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. जब रोता था नहीं खुशी होती थी कुछ चाहिए होता था तब रो देता था सबके सामने. और ये मोमेंट पे आके ना वो इमोशंस बहुत सरप्रेस हो गए थे. लाइक दिल नहीं करता किसी के सामने खोलूं किसी को बताऊं मेरा दिल नहीं लग रहा कोई है ही नहीं मेरी फैमिली से. वो बार बार मेरे को बहुत सताती रहती थी बात एंड आई वुडंट टॉक टू एनीबॉडी. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. मेरा फर्स्ट एवर सॉन्ग बेसिकली सैड सॉन्ग ही था. बेसिकली मेरा ऐसी था कि यार मेरी जीने की कोई वजह नहीं है. लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू लिव. बेसिकली बहुत दुखी गाना था. बेसिकली जो मैं किसी से बात नहीं करनी चाहता था मैंने पेपर पे लिख दिया. और उसके बाद मेरे को पता चला कि दिस इज राइमिंग. ये तो राइम हो रहा है एंड इट साउंड्स लाइक अ सॉन्ग. फिर तो मैंने कापियां भरनी शुरू कर दी बस. उसके बाद क्या लिखा सूरजमुखी देखी उस पर लिख दिया दरवाजा देख गया उस पर लिख दिया. सच में यार बहुत लिखा. मेरे पास आज भी वो डायरीज पड़ी हैं.
कभी ना कभी उन पे भी गाने बनेंगे.
Yeah, like some of the things I've said back then are really, really cool. So then I started hitting up Punjabi singers around the area. कोई भी local singer हो भाई यार मेरा गाना गा दो भाई यार मेरा गाना गा दो. No, मैं बहुत young था and then I came across Jassi Gill. Jassi Gill is from my area. His village was like really nearby and he was dropping music back then. And then हमारे एरिया का तो like भाई यार ये सिंगर का नाम जस्सी गिल यार जंडाली दा भाई यार इतना सोना गाਉਂਦਾ. So I was like यार मैंने इसको गाना देना है. पता नहीं कैसे करके somehow मेरे पास एक गाना था. मैंने उनको रिकॉर्डिंग भेजी and उन्हें पसंद आ गया and his album was coming out so he put that song in that album. तो वो गाना आने को 2 साल लग गए थे. उतने टाइम में मैं कनाडा चला गया था.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने लिखा इंडिया में था 1.5 2 साल लग गए बनने में आने में. उनकी एल्बम आई उस वक्त मैं कनाडा था. तो जब कभी सिंगर को अप्रोच करता था बोलता था कि यार ये जस्सी गिल ने मेरा गाना गाया है, ये जैजी बी पाजी ने मेरा गाना गाया है, ये गगन कोकरी ने मेरा गाना गाया है, ये रुपिंदर हांडा ने मेरा गाना गाया है. तो मैंने सबके लिए लिखा था. तब मेरे को पैसे का नहीं था कि कोई पैसे दे. वो बस ऐसे था कि मेरा नाम ले दो गाने में. पहले ऐसे होता था कि हर गाने के में ना पंजाबी गाने में लास्ट वर्स में आपका जिसने लिखा हुआ है उसका नाम होता था. आई यूज्ड टू पुट माय नेम एंड माय विलेज नेम करण कुराले वाला. एंड देन सभी लोग जो विलेज के आसपास थे धीरे धीरे उन्हें पता चलने लगा कि ये बंदा लिखता है. देन उसके बाद वो गाने वाली स्टोरी आ गई. आई वुड से फ्रॉम 9 year old up until 17 years, like those 7 8 years it was such like a कहते नहीं है कि बहुत फास्ट मैंने जी लिया था. वो कितना कुछ हो गया, सभी कुछ लूज़ भी हो गया, देख भी लिया. उसके बाद अकेला फ़्लाइट पकड़े जा रहा हूँ कनाडा. पता नहीं कैसी लगती है कंट्री. जहाज़ में बैठा पहली बार. इंग्लैंड मेरी कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट थी और मेरे को पता भी नहीं है कि कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट किसको बोलते हैं. एंड आई फिगर्ड एवरीथिंग आउट माई सेल्फ. लाइक आई जस्ट हैड 2 suitcases and I was like, man, today I'm leaving this place and I don't know when I'll come back. And I got very emotional then.
Did you cry a lot?
I did, yeah. I did, because I was living with my chachi, we got so close. And then everybody, like, they didn't want me to go either, but obviously I had to go for my future. So then I went there, but then when I saw my sisters, I was really happy because after so long, finally we met. and now we're together in the same country, and it was a great feeling. Yeah.
Do they pamper you a lot, you being the youngest?
Yeah, they always did. My on Rakhi, my sister was used to get me like the चांदी की bracelets and all that. सभी लड़कों ने गांव में पहने होते हैं धागे वाली राखियां ना सही look bracelet मिला है और उसी से मेरे को शौक पड़ा है ये.
और अभी तो आपने बहुत सुंदर सॉलिटर वाला पहना हुआ है ब्रेसलेट.
ये अभी पैसे बन रहे हैं अभी.
टैटू भी बहुत अच्छा है आपका. What does it
Thank
say?
you. This is my dad's photo, and this is my mom, and this is 5 p.m. This is when I lost my mom. This was the time on the clock. This is me chilling with my dad in the khet.
Wow.
Faded a little bit, but I got this just because, I love looking at their faces. I don't have to pull out a picture from my phone. And
But what details? How long did this take to make?
I think this was 9 to 10 hours. Yeah, I got this done in Chandigarh.
How long ago was this?
This was 2015. This was my first ever tattoo. And I got my mom's name here. I used to love tattoos.
How many tattoos do you have now?
Fuck, both arms
okay.
filled up. Then my chest is filled up. I wanted to get my back tatted, but my team stopped me. They're like, yo, in case in future if you end up doing like, I don't know, movies or something, then you're gonna take like 16 hours to get ready. You're gonna have to cover your arms. I was like,
Yeah. But is that in the pipeline? Movies?
I've been offered some like Punjabi movies before, and I don't think I was ready for it. Like, which I'm not. Like, it's not my lane. I've never done a movie, and I don't think I'll be like acting in a song and acting in a movie is two different things. And I don't want to lose what I actually do and I'm good at.
Right.
So I just want to stay true to that. But in future, if I get any opportunities or I like a project, I would do it for the sake of that.
Did you ever face any rejections?
Yeah,
Or
so
mostly-
many. कितने सिंगर तो ऐसे ही फोन ही नहीं उठाते थे पहले. Like आज भी मैं पंजाब जाता हूँ, कई बंदों के तो मेरे को मतलब शक्ल क्या याद होगी, वो तो वहीं थे उस टाइम फुल चल रहे थे. वो कभी मैसेज कर दिया, किसी का नंबर मिल गया मैनेजर का, उसने बोल दिया कल आना, कल बात करेंगे, ये करेंगे, गाना भेज दिया, नहीं सीन करके छोड़ दिया. तो ये तो बहुत मिला. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस, राइट? बट दैट डिडंट लेट मी स्टॉप और लाइक थिंक लाइक ओ यार ये तो बेइज्जती हो गई यार, इन्होंने तो लिया ही नहीं और रिजेक्ट कर दिया.
But आपकी drive काफी strong थी to keep you going and to keep achieving your dreams. Where did that really come from? And I'm just talking about inspiration for those people who want to achieve something.
I would say it's मेहनत किस्मत together. फॉर्मूला तो कोई ऐसा नहीं है. एक ही चीज़ जो मैंने नोटिस की थी कि ज़्यादा सोचो मत. गाना बनाना है तो बनाओ यार, इतना मत सोचो कैसा बनाऊँ, क्या बनाऊँ, ये तो आया हुआ है, ये तो चलेगा नहीं, ये चलेगा. ये सब बात की बातें हैं, आप काम करो पहले. Here's a quick reminder for you. दिमाग की बत्ती जगी कि चलते जाओ भाई. Coming up is, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's still like if you have talent, you will come up there. But staying there is what I find the hardest. Like, एक गाना भी आज की टाइम में तो attention span ही बहुत कम है और it's like you have to stay on top of it. So it's like, it's hard, man, staying on top, yeah.
But with rising fame, there are also perils with it. Like, security concerns and things like that.
Yeah.
Rising threats. Have you experienced that?
Yeah, I have experienced threats, extortion calls, being shot at, I've experienced a bullet going through the window while sleeping. I've experienced waking up to gunshots. That was not a good experience, is what I would say. I don't wish that upon anybody. Even the people that I don't care about, I would never, wish that for them. सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, गाने चल गए ये वो, और आप एक सिंगर हो, and all of a sudden you're getting shot at and people are saying यार मार देंगे अगर इतने पैसे नहीं दिए, आप शो लगा के दिखाओ, आप गाना करके दिखाओ. तो then you think like यार क्या कर दिया यार, गाने बना रहा हूँ, like who am I? So that's when I questioned myself, like, yo, am I doing this right or should I stop this? मैं दिहाड़ी कर लूँगा यार कहीं पे, एटलीस्ट मेरी फैमिली सेफ होगी यार, ये क्या है ये? But again, obviously, I'm so happy my family was strong, they kept going, they didn't care. And it's like, I've because God was with us, man. Nothing happened, nobody got hurt. Because मैंने आगे भी बोला है कि लकड़ के घर हैं. अगर वो गोली यहाँ से निकल गई तो यहाँ से भी निकल सकती थी वो. It's like I feel really blessed that it didn't even touch me, you know.
Of course, today you've achieved a lot. पर अगर मैं पूछूं कोई ऐसी चीज जिससे आपको सबसे ज्यादा like your fear or something that you're afraid of.
Losing my people, you know, losing close ones. एकदम से कोई नहीं जाना चाहिए यार. Like it's such a sad feeling. I feel like it's the unprocessed trauma as well from like childhood. Like I don't know how to. I feel really lonely sometimes. Even if I'm happy, मैं खुश हूँ सही. I'm like a very bubbly, like a chill type of guy that'll go in any room and just, you know, make everybody laugh and just throw jokes. But sometimes, like I get so sad that I don't know what to do. But I'm just happy that I'm at least aware of it.
Yeah.
And वो मेरे पे इतना हावी नहीं होता जितना हो सकता है.
Have you met Shah Rukh Khan yet?
Yes.
You have? Because
Yes.
he also lost both his parents at a
Yeah.
young age, and much like you, I mean, he's also achieved a lot, both of you.
It's so funny. We were just talking yesterday.
Yeah.
And because Aryan is coming out with such a great project
Yeah.
and we were together, I was just so happy for him. The first time ever I met him was at IFA, I think,
Okay.
in Abu Dhabi. And the way this man treats you, he made me feel like a king.
So let's end this on a happy note. I want to know what makes you happy today.
एक तो अगर गाना मन से लिखा हो वो चल जाए बहुत
अच्छा.
बहुत खुशी होती है कि यार बहुत मेहनत लगी थी 10 घंटे स्टूडियो में था.
कितने व्यूज इनफ है आपको खुश करने के लिए?
कम से कम 100 मिलियन स्ट्रीम्स जब पास करता है गाना ना तब मजा आ जाता है कि
P-pop
ओके
कल्चर भी हो ही जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. मैं याद रखूंगा. दूसरी चीज़ है बस मेरे घर पे रहना और जस्ट बस जो लोग हैं मेरे जिनसे मेरा प्यार है बस वो साथ हो बस. This is what makes me happy. Just being with my own people in my own space.
So Karan, I've been really enjoying this conversation, but we have a very special segment. We're going to make someone's day extra special. We will do a fan interaction call on Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got Prateek who's joining us.
Oh my God. Hello brother. How are you?
I'm good, brother. How are you? I'm a hardcore fan of you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for joining us, man. It's so nice.
I had two questions for you, like from a fan perspective. What's your creative process like when you sit down to write a new track?
I would say first thing is the melody. Like what direction I want to head into. थोड़ा upbeat गाना चाहिए, थोड़ा grungy चाहिए और थोड़ा lovey-dovey, romantic चाहिए. So that's the first thing you need to figure, what direction to head into. And then I always wonder what the percussion would be like and then I always play it in my head, like the drum pattern and everything, कि ताल क्या होगी गाने की. तो बस ये सभी चीज़ों को combine कैसे करना है, then उसके बाद lyrics आते हैं. While writing lyrics, one thing I keep in my head is कि जो मैंने melody बनाई है, उस पे कौन से word सबसे अच्छे से flow करेंगे. And then I record and then I put it out on YouTube.
And then there is a banger song.
Yes, there you go.
What's been the most memorable moment of you in your musical journey so far?
Oh my God, I would say भाई जब मैंने वैंकूवर में शो किया था cause मैं वहाँ पे 10 साल रहा हूँ and मैं उस अरीना के बाहर से always गुजरता था without knowing कि एक दिन मैं ये प्लेस को सोल्ड आउट करूँगा.
Wow.
और उस दिन मेरे को 20,000 बंदे देखने आए थे जहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ वैसे ही घूमता होता था. सो वो 2014 से लेके 2025 तक टाइम लग गया मेरे को लेकिन 11 साल was worth it man. I feel like वो शो मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा क्योंकि मेरी सारी फैमिली मेरे सिस्टर्स सभी देखने आए थे और साथ में इतने लोग आए थे वैंकूवर के and they made that show possible. So that was one of the greatest memories.
And you are doing a great music.
I appreciate you so much man. Thanks for the support and it was lovely talking to you.
कभी स्टेज पे कोई ब्लंडर हुआ है? लिरिक्स भूल गए या कुछ हो गया and then you had to cover it up.
लिरिक्स तो मैं बहुत भूल जाता हूँ कई बार. मतलब कोई और ही अंतरा गा दिया कहीं और ही मतलब ये हो जाता है लेकिन sometimes people can't tell either. Sometimes they can. एक बार मैं लंदन में था O2 में such a legendary venue और किसी ने जूता निकाल के मार दिया ऐसे मेरे फेस पे लगा. सही ओए क्या हुआ? शू लगा. सही यार बेइज्जती हुई. मैं कहा यार इतना खराब गा रहा हूँ यार. बोला नहीं साइन चाहिए. और यार शू पे साइन चाहिए यार. और वो लगा भी मुंह पे मेरे और वो बाहर आ गई से करण औजला के फेस पे जूता. वो बेचारा पहले वो बहुत मिसअंडरस्टूड हो गया उससे. वो इंग्लैंड आया था स्पेशली बच्चा इटली से. उसने बाद में बताया कि भाई आई डिडंट मीन टू डू दिस. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू थ्रो माय शू ऑन स्टेज सो यू कुड साइन इट एंड सेंड इट बैक बट इट जस्ट हिट योर फेस.
Oh no.
So I was like man it's okay.
मैंने दिलजीत को पूछा था दैट आपके स्टेज पर जाने से पहले कोई रिचुअल है? ही सेड कोई ना बस जिप चेक कर लेता हूँ बंद है.
सही बात है. ये
आपका कोई ऐसा रिचुअल है?
या नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है लेकिन बट सही बात है उनकी कई बार भूल जाता है बंदा
कभी आप लोग मिलते हो ऐसे सारे पंजाबी म्यूजिक सुपरस्टार्स?
आई मीन बहुत कम मौका मिलता है लेकिन जब भी मिलते हैं बहुत अच्छा टाइम होता है। दिलजीत भाई से मैं मिला था जब उनका शो था वैंकूवर स्टेडियम में, और उससे 2 दिन पहले वो आए थे और हम बैठे थे स्टूडियो में, बहुत अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया। आई डोंट नो परमीश वर्मा और लाइक यू नो बादशाह और लाइक आई डोंट नो डिवाइन भाई। सो इट्स लाइक व्हेन वी गेट टुगेदर वी टॉक the least about music because our life is all about making music and all that. थोड़ा बहुत आप बात करते हैं, ये आइडिया अच्छा है सुना लेते हैं, लेकिन मोस्टली हमारी बातें बस रैंडम होती हैं।
अच्छा चलो लेट्स मेक P-pop culture a huge hit. Any message for our viewers?
I just want to say thank you so much and it was lovely, you know, being here, and thank you to all the viewers. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to both of us. And go listen to my new album P-pop Culture if you haven't yet.
Thank you so much. It was fun chatting with you.
Yeah, same here.
And you can download the Curly Tales app and watch this episode first on the app, ad free.
Oh, बैठो ओए।